What up, y'all? So, today what I'm going to be doing is cleaning some rims. Uh, Picked up some Honda SI rims from my brother, and as you can see, they're really worn out. Let's see if I can fix it today. And more over here. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to attempt fixing it and everything like that. Trying to do like a different type of video instead of like an how-to. I'm trying to work with the vlog style, I guess. So yeah, let's get to it.
Go Apple.
Alright, so guys, I can't fix the rims right now. I'm missing some tools from my Dremel. I need the ones that are like the rounded ones so I can sand down all that extra stuff off. I mean, I can do it with just like regular sandpaper, but I don't feel like going to the store right now since I already went to the store and bought some sandpaper. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna load the car, load the rims in my car, and then I'm going to put on my tow strap. By the time my cousin should be done, he went to go eat pho, and I'm gonna go to his house and see if he got some tools to be able to do this. So then, yeah, let's load them up. Oh. Alright, yeah. So all I gotta do is put this into the bumper. Right here. No, I'm just kidding. It goes inside, bolts down, ties it down. And as y'all can see, it's raining, so hopefully it's not going to be a lot of work. That's all we need, I think. The fuck? Cute. It's turned out to be more work than I thought. The fuck? Bitch. Ugh. All right. Alright guys, so it looks like the 97 Civic isn't the same as my old Civic, which is a 94, 95, and there's usually a hole in the front where the bumper support sat, and this one don't have it, so I can't even put that on. So that's 2 fails in one day. So I'm kind of irritated. I don't even want to work on my car no more. I'm probably not even going to clean the rims neither, so probably take them back out, put them back inside the room, and forget about them for now. We'll see what happens. I'm just irritated. I don't want to care for it no more. So I just got to put all these pins back together and screw the bumper back on together and call it a day. Fucking over this. Here's a mess. So guys, as y'all can see, I failed today. I couldn't clean my rims. I couldn't put the tow strap on. I even tried to put some curtains on my car and it ain't working. So I give up. Today is just a fail. I'll probably do some more research and figure it out later, or yeah, maybe I'll just clean the rims off camera, probably somewhere, and I'll put them on. Y'all just be surprised that there's some rims on my car. I don't know how long I'll take. I don't know when it'll be done, and I don't even know when I'm gonna put the tow strap on. Thanks for watching, guys. You know, leave a comment below on some tips and tricks or things like that for cleaning the rims or putting the tow strap on this model Civic, and even the curtains. Yeah, so I mean, I was planning on putting tow hooks on the car too, but not just the back. The back is simple. The front, you're supposed to put it on the bumper bar thingy-majiggy and bolt it down like the tow strap, but seeing how that one doesn't have it, I'm gonna have to figure out a way. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do some more research and hopefully get another video soon. Thanks y'all, peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.